Hello. How are you today? If this is not your first time here, I'm so glad you're back. I'm so glad I didn't annoy the pants off of you. Thank you so much for being back. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Tanya, and you are equally appreciated here as everybody else. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's get right into it, shall we? Today, I'm going to be doing another Gelish application video. Ooh, real original, Tanya. Thanks for doing something you've done 3 times already. This time, it's on long nails. The longest nails that I've ever done them on. My own. So, yeah, application on long nails. Also my own nails. So, angles and being in frame is questionable. Okay, keep that in mind. And if you've watched any of the other application videos, they will be linked somewhere. If you've watched those, you'll know that this is just application of this product. There is no artwork, there is no top coat. Like I keep saying, that is coming. It is coming. It'll be there. Just subscribe and it'll show up one day in your subscription feed. Anyway, let's just get on with the video, yeah? Yeah? Okay, cool. So again, I'm starting off on clean, fully prepped nails, all oils and residue and non-living tissue has been completely removed from the nail plate. And again, coming in with the prep products, so the pH primer and then the bonder. And of course, then with the base coat over all of the nails and then curing in the lamp. Then, just like every other video, we do one thin layer on every nail and then cure in the lamp. And the second coat is where things start to vary a little bit. So instead of just going thinly on again like I did on the short nails, and instead of just keeping everything at the cuticle like I did on the infill, this time with a large amount of product on the brush, I'm starting at the cuticle area, making sure it's all nice and neat and crisp at the cuticle and down all the sidewalls. And I'm just neatly floating the product down the nail, keeping the majority of the product in the center of the nail, and just lightly brushing it down to the tip of the nail and down to all of the edges of the nail. Once all the product is on the nail where I think it should be, I'm going to tip my hand over or tip the finger over to self-level everything a little bit higher than it would naturally self-level, and this is to give myself a little bit more of an apex and to pull all of the product into the center of the nail to keep it stronger and less likely to break. After a few seconds, I will flip it back over and cure it in the lamp for about 20 seconds or so, and then go on to the next nail and continue the exact same process on each nail. And then at the very end, I will give it one solid cure over all of the nails, just to ensure everything is perfectly cured. Once it comes out of the lamp for the very last time, I'm removing the sticky layer from this product because I'm going to file out any of the lumps and bumps that have occurred in the application process. This could be from my application, this could be from holding the hand upside down and letting it self-level that way. It might have pulled or pooled a little bit in one area, a little bit more than the other, so we're just gonna level it all out so that the nails are perfect. And then I'm going over with a white block just to make sure that the cuticle and sidewalls are nice and tight to the natural nail, and to make sure the entire body of the nail has a rough surface for anything else that may go on top of this product. And then I'm cleaning it up with some rubbing alcohol, and that is the finished application. And that is the application of the Gelish Structure Gel in Cover Pink on long nails. I hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you learned something. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Why not? What have you got to lose? Let me know in the comments down below if this has helped you out at all, or if you have any other tips and tricks that might help me or anyone else out with this product or another product like it. And thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time. Bye!